and new, and new, and new. Oh my!
Ano kababalaghan ito.
There's a rematch. We will beat Manny Pacquiao by a far bigger margin in a rematch. Okay, we have no
You're
doubt.
not supposed to get it for trying hard. You're supposed to get it for winning. And I thought Pacquiao won the fight. If you go by the real rules, the Marcus of Queensberry rules, who lands the cleaner punches?
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Pa-like na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. July 2, 2017 sa bansang Australia, matatanda ang naganap ang makasaysayang laban ni Manny Pacquiao kontra Pacquiao-Horn. Ang laban ay para sa pagdepensa ni Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang WBO welterweight na titulo. Pero ang nasabing laban nila ay napuno ng sandamakmak na kontrobersiya mula sa mga tagahanga. Naging madumi ang kalaban. Bagamat tuguan si Pacman sa bakbakan, ay makikita talagang nabugbog itong Australiano na kalaban.
You can't allow Manny to do this. This is the first time Manny's getting off first in the fight.
He's feeling the pinch though. He's very fatigued. You can see it in his face. Oh, he's staggered it.
Here comes Manny. He's on the assault. And wow, with the left hand of Manny Pacquiao. Horn nails him with the right hand. But he's still on his feet. Judges won't score it that way without a knockdown.
Jeff Horn shot in the heart.
In the ninth round. He did everything but drop shot.
Pero ang nakakagulat at nakakagulantang sa lahat ay nanalo pa si Pacquiao-Horn via unanimous decision.
Back and new.
Umani ng batikos ang nasabing resulta ang pagkapanalo ni Pacquiao-Horn sa mismong lungga niya sa Australia. Di lang sa mga ordinaryong boxing fans, kundi pati na rin sa mga kasamahang boxer, trainer, analyst, mga sikat na personalidad at sa media. Matapos ang madugong laban, ay umugong agad ang posibleng rematch ng dalawa. Pero marami ang nagtaka kung bakit tila naglaho na lang bigla ang posibleng pangalawang salpukan sana nila. Marami ang mga nagsilabasang mga haka-haka na ayaw daw ni Pacquiao-Horn at ang iba naman ay si Pacquiao daw ang umayaw. Sa interview na ginawa ng philstar.com ay binigyang linaw ni Pacquiao kung bakit walang rematch na nangyari. Sabi pa niya na sa panahong yun ay gusto daw niya talaga ng rematch pero iniwasan daw sila. Sa halip ay lumaban daw itong si Pacquiao-Horn sa bansang Amerika at hinarap ang undefeated welterweight star na si Terence Crawford. Pero ang Australiano na kung lumaban ay parang toro ay nilampaso lang ni Crawford via 9th round TKO at nakuha ang knockout ay ang napanalo ng titulo ni Pacquiao-Horn mula kay Manny Pacquiao.
In the world when he did Vasily Lomachenko, who side.
He wants to stay right in.
Up and down, hitting from all angles, overhand, price for it now.
He's trying.
Big day.
Big left hand, right hook, uppercut, sends him back. Another left hand corner, uppercut lands. Crawford on the attack. That's it. It's over. We celebrated it.
Habang sa panahong yon ay si Lucas Matisi na lang ang kinalaban ni Pacman na matatanda ang matagumpay na tinalo ni Pacquiao via 7th round TKO at nakuha ang titulo na hawak-hawak ni Matisi na WBA welterweight title.
45 or maybe even a nice, it's an uppercut.
Yeah, Matisse
still dangerous. Having some moments in this round.
Oh, the second knockdown of the night scored by
If I can.
uppercut again, and he puts him down again. Pacquiao has done it. Knockout victory and his return.
Matapos manalo at makakuha ng titulo itong si Pacquiao sa laban, ay doon pa ulit nagparamdam at kumatok sa pintuan itong Australian. Gusto na ulit ng rematch kay Pacman. Then when I won a belt and he lost, he is challenging me again. But when I challenged him right after I lost to him, nothing, he would not fight me. Nung may hawak na naman daw siyang titulo, ay andun pa daw ulit naghamon itong Australiano. Ang tsansa sana na dinidman ni Horn na makarematch kay Pacquiao noon, nakikita sana ng milyon-milyon, ay wala na, pera na sana, naging bato pa. Mas pinili pa kasing labanan si Crawford na kilalang halimaw sa Amerika.
Called me out twice. Did you get what you was looking for?
Unseated business na nag-rematch ako sa kanila, hindi sila rematch.
Unfinished business.
Nag-iwas sila sa akin, doon lumaban sila sa Amerika.
Tapos yung natalo, naghahabol na ulit.
Tapos nung nanalo ako, nag-champion ng belt, tapos natalo
Natalo
sila.
siya, ha?
Nagkamon ulit. Pero nung hinamon ko sila nung natalo ako, wala.
Wala.
Hindi lumaban. Nung lumaban sa ibang bansa. Tapos nung nanalo ako, hamon-hamon sila.
Pera kasi.
Support ninyo.
Kaya wala na talagang pag-asa pa na mapagbigyan pa siya ng ating pambato. Bukod sa madumi kong lumaban, ay tila laos na din itong Australiano. Kayo mga pre, kung natuloy sana ang pangalawang tagpo nitong si Pacman at Jeff Horn sa pangalawang pagkakataon, kanino ka? Ay ilang rounds lang si Horn sa laban nila. Sabay nating balikan at panoorin mga pre kung paano binugbog ni Pacman itong maruming lumaban na Australian pero nakapagtatakang nanalo sa mga mata ng mga hurado.
Hard body shots by Horn. Manny pulling a bit of a rope, don't you think?
Jeff Horn, lovely shot.
Now here's Manny, catches him, back corner. When they get on the inside, Jeff comes over with that right hand. Very tough to get that target. Manny clips him with the right hand, coming. Nice back and forth movement. Manny misses it over the head. Catch him. See a fight.
Oh, good left rip.
Solid right hand. Manny claps. Jeff didn't pull the trigger on the left hand. Now that's right hand lands by Jeff. Jeff coming round.
Fantastic action there by Jeff Horn.
Straight right hand by Manny. Hasn't landed a real stinging punch and he gets
At least put on, I'd say, you know.
This is the first time Manny's getting off first in the fight.
He's feeling the pinch though. He's very fatigued. You can see it in his face. Oh, he's staggered him.
Here comes Manny. He's on the assault. And wow, with the left hand is Manny Pacquiao. Horn nails him with the right hand, but he's still on his feet. Horn's fighting in pure card. Big right hand by Manny Pacquiao. Horn back.
What a warrior.
But so is Manny Pacquiao. He could be a 10-8 round. Judges won't score it that way without a knockdown.
Jeff Horn shot the heart.
In the 9th round. He did everything but drop Jeff.
Anong masasabi ninyo sa video ito mga pre? Ang inyong komento, reaction at suggestion ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
Oh, he puts Horn back on his heels with that left hand.
Oh, big left hand, Manny. Oh, right hand by Jeff. Back.
Kababalaghan ito.
To get it for trying hard. You're supposed to get it for winning. And I thought Pacquiao won the fight. If you go by the real rules, the Marcus of Queensberry rules, who lands the cleaner punches?
I'm in Teddy.
Listen, congratulations, great effort. I thought you lost. But
kababalaghan ito.
Bisitahin nyo rin ang YouTube channel ng mga kaibigan ko mga pre na sina Philippine Sport History, Boy Astig PH, Usapang Sports at John Boxing TV. Gumagawa din sila ng mga video na siguradong magugustuhan ninyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirme.